All right. Welcome back, everybody, for another deep dive. Today, we're going to be looking at something you might think is pretty straightforward, and maybe you already have your mind made up about the importance of learning English. We're basing this deep dive today on a podcast episode called Why Learning English is Essential from English Dose. And, you know, I got to say, there's some really interesting things in this episode that I would have never even thought about when it comes to why you should learn English.
Interesting.
And so I'm really excited to dig into this with you.
Yeah, I'm really curious to hear about these less obvious benefits you're talking about.
Yeah, well, one of the things that I thought was so interesting was that they kind of tied the rise of English as this global language to historical events. You know, it's not just like an accident that English is spoken by 1.5 billion people across the world.
The podcast really digs into that history, doesn't it? I mean, the British Empire obviously played a huge role spreading the language far and wide. And then, you know, in the 20th century, America's economic and cultural influence kind of took it to another level.
And it's so fascinating to think about that language is so intertwined with like power dynamics and historical forces like that.
Absolutely. And it's still shaping the world today. I mean, think about it. English fluency opens up all sorts of opportunities, even within your own country.
Oh, totally.
You know, industries like tech finance, even tourism. Knowing English can give you a serious edge.
Absolutely. And like even beyond getting a job, once you have the job, it can help you really excel. You know, I've heard that English proficiency can boost your credibility, help you collaborate better with teams that are international.
It's like a secret weapon in today's globalized workplace.
Yeah. And something else they talked about was that English can actually help you grow as a person.
I love that point. It's not just about practical skills, you know, it's about broadening your horizons, expanding your worldview.
Yeah. I never really thought of it that way. But it makes sense. When you learn a new language, you're kind of forced to step outside of your comfort zone.
Totally.
And think differently and even express yourself differently.
It's a challenge, but that's where the growth happens.
Yeah, for sure.
The podcast actually gave us a really cool example about how just grappling with English grammar can actually improve your critical thinking skills.
Wow.
You start to see the nuances of language and how it shapes our understanding of the world.
It's wild. It's like, just by learning the language, you become a better thinker.
Exactly.
So we've got all that. But then there's also this whole idea of English being a gateway.
A gateway to
knowledge and culture.
Yes.
Like think about all the books, the films, the music, all the online content. It's primarily in English.
So much of it.
Yeah.
And I think that access to information and all these diverse perspectives can really help us understand each other better, you know, build bridges.
Yeah.
In a world that often feels so divided.
That's really powerful. So we've got easier communication, more opportunities, personal growth, and even a deeper connection to the world. All because of learning English.
It's pretty amazing.
What do you think is the most compelling point of all of this?
You know, for me, it's the idea that English is more than just a language. It's a tool for personal transformation. It's about empowering yourself to engage with the world on your own terms. So I guess the question for everyone listening is, what unique opportunities might learning English unlock specifically for you?
That's a great question for everyone to think about. Well, thanks for joining us on this deep dive. We hope you learned something new about the importance of learning English. And maybe we've even inspired you to start learning yourself. We'll see you next time.